how to enable or disable extreme or severe threats emergency alerts on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, and in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on notifications. Next, tap on advanced settings. Then we scroll down in here and tap on wireless emergency alerts. At the top here, make sure you turn on allow alerts and then go down to the alerts section. In here, you can choose to turn on or turn off extreme threats alert or severe threats alert. So tap on the toggle button on each one of these items to turn it on or off. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.